This could be the car for you. The 2011 Toyota Tundra. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, multi-zone AC, locking limited slip differential, stability control, rear-wheel drive, traction control, pass-through rear seat, split bench seat, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers. This vehicle offers the ride you want and the value you need. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.